Is Cardano ready for that next step? Let's talk about it right now in this video. Crypto is pumping. I want to share with you guys my thoughts on ADA right now as we break down kind of some levels as well as some storylines and some upgrades coming about within the Cardano ecosystem that I feel relevant and I want to discuss with you right now in this video. If you are new to the channel, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe right down below. Please remember, though, these are just my thoughts. Always do your own research and due diligence, and I will never tell you to buy or sell a crypto. Okay, but let's get into it. We look at Cardano right now trading, and this is the important thing right now at $1.67, $1.067, I should say, up 7.5%, maintaining that top 10 spot in market cap. It's been a great day for Cardano and a better week, 14.9% up. We have now surpassed that $1 threshold once again. So this is the big storyline right now that we need to talk about. Is Cardano's price ready to surge past that $1.30 barrier? You can see right now in this graphic, this is one that we have formed a channel that has a very strong resistance to this price level. We have kind of consolidating for a while, a little bit of volatility that we have experienced with the overall market as a whole. But now as we look into the USDT paired chart, that's something within this sideways movement. We have formed a bullish flag pattern that we did see rejection back in December at that $1.20 level. But within this zone that we're talking about, the market did not go completely down, all right? We still have RSI above the 50 neutral line, and that's something where the bullish momentum within ADA is present once more, which can obviously lead to a breakout above this flag and result to a rally above $1.20 very soon. So if that does happen, congrats, great. Happy for all of you that have stayed with an ADA. A lot of people did sell when we did hit those highs a little bit earlier on, but now as the price of Bitcoin has just touched 100,000, it'd be very remiss to not talk about the BTC paired chart with ADA, and that's something where we have failed to reach that 1500 sat resistance zone, but the 900 support level has held the market very much a couple times throughout the way, and that is something that has prevented us from a deeper decline. So there is some strength in ADA where we're trading at right now, but the biggest storyline right now on the chart, guys, is can we break through $1.30? Now, I'm going to tell you guys this, and like I said earlier, I'll never tell you to buy or sell a crypto. Cardano is one of my largest holdings out there in the space. But for me and my bets, I do think that Cardano is set to hit $2 this year in 2025. I think you'd be pretty much naive not to think that Cardano will not have a move to make within what we've seen within Donald Trump being inaugurated. I think personally all bets are off. All right, I'm not going to say all-time highs, but I'm going to say that there is a very big storyline that we have to talk about the perspective that crypto goes absolutely parabolic in the next 1 to 2 months. So there it is, guys. That's what I'm talking about. And we want to kind of get into the narrative right now within an update. Yes, the broader market can propel Cardano to new highs, but within that, guys, also Aiken, we cannot sleep on the tech. That is a very powerful tool right now for smart contract development within Cardano. And Aiken's ready for more robust adoption, okay? That's kind of what we're looking at. If you want to see the actual post from the Cardano Foundation, at Cardano_CF, check it out. But that's kind of where the feedback that we've got has been very positive and how that's going to look to reshape the smart contract development on Cardano, okay? And now what the big change is right now, this is something where it's going to have to kind of allow itself to work through a lot of the constraints and problems that we had within the likes of previous versions of Plutus. But this is something where it's going to make it easier and more efficient for developers and kind of address some of the concerns that they've had along the way. But within these key achievements and adoption notes that we've been talking about, Aiken is ready. And when this happens, this is going to be something that as the language continues to evolve and continue to be finalized, I think that that's something where you're looking kind of the 2 million transaction milestone for Aiken back that we hit in August. This is something as we look into the increasing adoption that all the numbers are positive and everything in terms of outlook for Cardano remains bullish. So to kind of tie it all up and put a bow on it, I do want to tell you guys, I think Cardano is poised to break through $1.30. I think it can happen very soon into 2025. I'm not going to count anything out in terms of crypto movements with what we have coming. I think Donald Trump in some of his opening remarks about what he's going to do for crypto on day one, very, very promising. So we'll just kind of sit back and watch. We'll take the charts for what they're worth and we'll see how the market evolves yourselves and how this unfolds, okay? But with that, I'll leave you guys. This is my Cardano update for the day. I do think we can break through $1.30. I'm not selling any of my ADA right now, and I think this is something where all bets are off if we do get a positive tailwind after Trump takes office and we get kind of the ball moving in terms of the crypto world, where all things look like this is going to be very, very positive for the sector. So I'll leave you guys with that. Appreciate you guys all tuning in. Give me a couple minutes of your time. If you do want the Cardano news every single day, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe right down below. Appreciate you all. We'll see you in the next video. Cheers.